thinking to myself, this could be heaven or this could be hell. Then she lit up a candle, she showed me the way. Their voices on the corridor, I thought I heard them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place, such a lovely place. Waiting from empty Hotel California. Any time of year, you can find it there. Money Tiffany twisted, she got a Mercedes Benz on. She got a lot of pretty, pretty boys. She goes friends, how they dance in accordion, sweet summer sweat. Some dance to remember, some dance to forget. So I call up to keep it. Please bring me my wine, he says. We haven't had that spirit here since 1969. And still those voices are calling from far away. Wake you up in the middle of the night, yeah, just to hear them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place, such a lovely place. You're living it up at the Hotel California. What a night surprise, what a night surprise. Bring me alibi. Mirrors on the ceiling, the picture very nice, I'm just saying. We are all just prisoners here of our own device. In a master chambers, they can't afford a feast. They step with their silly knife, but they just